Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I am filming another plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. We are in the first week of March, which is so insane to me. I guess I can show you guys my February monthly views. This was December, January, and this is how February turned out, which I thought was like really cute. I'll definitely have to set up March as it's still just beginning, but I wanted to do a plan with me today for the weekly section. Hopefully everyone is having a good week. It has been pretty gloomy over here. So we'll see how it goes lighting wise. I don't know where my pencil board went, but we'll just start like that. I'll be using some of my new stickers here. This is my planner tracker water edition, so I can track my water intake as I have not been doing great with that. And this is my, well, these are my new sticker sets. I've got Planner Girl 1, 2, and 3. I just designed number 3, finished her off today. So I thought I would test out some of these girls in my spread this week. Honestly, I wanted to do something a little bit different. We'll see how far I deviate from my normal. I'm kind of a creature of habit and tend to replicate what is comfortable and familiar, but you know, I wanted to do something slightly different, not too crazy. So hopefully everyone is having a good week. I am feeling so much better from my last week's cold, thank goodness, because that was so miserable. But it's so nice to be able to breathe through my nose and just feel like myself again. All right, so this week I wanted to use this tracker for my water. I still want to have a habit tracker, but I want to make sure I'm using this like water tracker because I think I want to know the amount versus, oh yeah, I just drank water. Or did I hit my goal, or like was I close to my goal? And so I thought designing this tracker would kind of help with that. So let's see, let me grab one of these little circles. I think this one would be cute. Okay, so this was supposed to be a little layering technique there, very cute. Okay. So how will I track this? Let's see, I'll probably use a highlighter. So Sunday I did pretty good with my water. Monday was say half. Tuesday was not great. And today is Wednesday that I'm planning this, so we'll see how that goes. But we'll just leave it like that for now. And then I'll probably shift this over here. Let's see how this works out. I'm gonna put habits. Oops, there we go. And let's see, I'm gonna write habits. Okay, and the ones I'm really good at, vitamins. Wasn't that great with planning this week. I got held up on Monday, but that's okay. And then walking. It is raining today, so probably not going to make a great amount of strides in my step counter, but that's okay. And then let's see here. I wanted to do some of these girls. I like really love this one, but I think this girl is so cute. She's got a 2025 planner. Oops, a little bit stuck there. And I wanted to put, let's see, I'm just putting stickers everywhere now. I think it'd be cute if this looks like a little sun. And I'm gonna layer her here. Cute. Okay, I'm really liking that so far. Let's see. I'm gonna do this to here. I'm gonna have this empty space. I'm not loving that. So I'll have to figure out what to do. Oh, if anyone is looking for a show to watch, I have been really loving The Resident on Netflix. It is so good. I'm on almost season 3 now, and I just started. So highly recommend. It's like a Grey's Anatomy, kind of, sort of like a house type thing, but the characters really develop, which I love. And I feel like, move this aside here. The storyline is really, really good as well. So really happy with that so far. That's been really entertaining. Let's see here. I'm just going to put, this is just going to be cutesy sticker here, Monday. Okay. So, okay, this looks okay. A little bit different. I did do something different. It's not exactly my norm. 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I do think over time I'm gonna have to change it up a little bit because I do get bored, and yeah, I just feel like I need some change from time to time. Let's see, who can we put in here? This girl's kind of cool. I like this girl, but I feel like she should go into like a corner. Oh, this star is cute. I'm going to put this here because I have like an appointment that I need to attend to. So let's just add that in right away. Okay. Let's see here. 4:30 p.m. appointment. Put a little box there. 3:45 p.m. check-in. Jason early and email attendance. Okay, perfect. And then I guess there's another appointment here. Let's just get all these things entered. Appointment. Hour fasting. Pack water. And sorry, this is going to be a little bit silent planning. There we go. Okay. Hopefully you guys can still see. I do want to put one of these girls here, but now I wrote, I guess I could put her in there. Let's put her. Let's put a little sticker behind her though. Definitely these do, I think they do a lot. Oh, did I run out of space? Okay, let's shift that up just a little. Like this. Okay. It's going to cover that just a tad. That's okay. Okay. I'm liking how this is looking so far. So if you guys haven't figured out yet, I guess I've been really into designing like stickers and drawing, and I've just been really inspired these days, hence so many new sticker sheets are coming out, and I'm just like really happy with how that whole thing is going. So I figured while I'm in the drawing mood, I'm just gonna keep doing it. Let's see here. Let's put this here. Okay. All right. Make this a tasks. Okay. Let's see, orders. Sorry, my alarm just went off, so I'm not sure if that just cut off the video, but hopefully it's filming again. You inventory, and then car to Sacramento. And then this was a work day. Just do this here. Ooh, I'm really liking this layout so far. I feel like the stickers are really adding a lot to my spread, just like the variety. Let's see, work day, 9 to 5 p.m. Book fair at 4:45 p.m. Okay, good. Friday, I don't think I have anything scheduled on Friday. Saturday, we have swimming, so let's enter that. I actually think our weekend is like pretty open, which is amazing. Let's see, 11. Oh, I should email for closure dates. And then I should RSVP. Party on 3/21. I should do that by Saturday. And I think that's all that I have on the schedule. All right, well, this video a little bit shorter than my normal plan with me's, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, I can show you guys what I did this week in my Hobonichi techo since I didn't do a plan with me here. Still working on the week. It's just Wednesday right now, but pretty happy with how this is turning out as well. If you guys wanted to check out the new inventory, it's up in my Etsy shop, and I believe I do have a coupon code that's just running on my shop at the moment. So I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching.